Hi everyone, this is Jimmy Chicky with Keller Williams, and I just wanted to show you a very quick way that you can use Keller Williams Command and your new Keller Williams website to create a very quick and easy open house sign-in sheet. All right, so the first thing I want you to do is I want you to go to your Keller Williams website. All right, it's going to be something.kw.com. Go to your Keller Williams website. Once you get there, type in the address of the house that you want to do an open house flyer for, or an open house sign-in sheet. Now remember, this can be any home on the MLS. So I'm just going to pick one that I found randomly a second ago. And that's here by us in beautiful Las Vegas. So here is, wait for it, here's the house I want to do an open house sign-in sheet for. I'm going to click on that house. Okay, so now remember, where are we? I'm on my website and I'm looking at this specific house that I want to do an open house sign-in sheet for. Okay, so you're going to have a link at the top. If I just add some words and some digits to this, then it will automatically create your open house flyer. How do we, open house sign-in sheet, how do we do that? First type /, which is just like a division sign, and type in open house. So all I did was type in open house with a /. At the end, I click return, and then boom, I get a new link, and now I have automatically a sign-in sheet for open house. Once you're the guest, type in first name, last name, email, phone number. When they hit submit, you will automatically get a new contact in your command database with the hashtag open house. How cool is that? It took like all of 10 seconds. I hope you found this helpful. This is Jimmy Chicky with Keller Williams.